There definitely is a lot of market concentration in the largest names within the S&P 500 index. Actually, in 2000, kind of at the peak of the dot-com bubble, it was over 20% concentration. I think it might have hit over 25% for the top 10 names within the index. So essentially, top 10 names out of 500 counted for over 25%. Currently, in today's environment, it's actually higher at around 40%. So just the top 10 names, which is essentially the Magnificent Seven stocks, so a lot of tech-related names, plus a couple others thrown in there like JP Morgan Chase and Berkshire Hathaway. So right now, the market's definitely more concentrated at 40% for just those 10 largest names. Now, one key difference, though, I would say, is the earnings power of those companies. So if you look at the earnings today of those 10 companies, they make up 32.5% of the S&P 500's total earnings. So it's not 40% where they are. So they're a little higher valuation compared to the rest of the names in there, but they're not kind of way off the charts. Versus you go back in 2000 for the dot-com bubble, the earning power of those names was much less. And so basically the valuation for some of those names, think like Cisco, was much higher compared to companies today like NVIDIA, which despite their phenomenal stock growth, they've also had phenomenal earnings growth, kind of keeping up with that over time as well.